friends, now I am going to delineate the topic octal number system. Octal number system, in short, it is also termed as oct. And one more interesting point about octal number system is that it is also octal number is also used in aviation realm, and like in binary number system, bi means 2, but here octal means 8. Now let's have a look at the domain set of octal number system. Again, what is domain set? A set of unique elements is called domain set, and domain set of octal number system includes 0 to 7 different symbols. So it has total 8 different symbols. So the radix or base of the octal number system would be 8, and these different symbols are termed here as digits in octal number system. And now let's have a now let's take example of some of the octal numbers. 230 is a valid octal number. Why this is a valid octal number? Because 3230, all the three digits belong to the domain set of octal number system. So it's a valid octal number. And 234.15 is a valid fractional octal number. Why it's a valid fractional octal number? Because before the decimal point and after the decimal point, all the digits belong to the domain set of octal number system. So it's also a valid fractional octal number. But this is not a valid octal number, as this 9 doesn't belong to the domain set of octal number system. And one more point, put base 8 here to make it as an octal number. Also put base here to make it as an octal number. But we can't employ base 8 here because it's not a valid octal number. Now let's have a look on the definition of octal number system. A number system in which a number can be expressed as base 8. Base 8. See example here, in which a number can be expressed in base 8 is termed as octal number system. These are the other names of octal number system. Why octal number system is called base 8 number system? Because its radix is 8. So octal number system is also termed as base 8 number system. And at the end of the video, you will get to know why octal number system is termed as positional, weighted or place value number system. Now I am going to explain how can we get the weight positions in octal number system. Radix of the octal number system is 8. Unit place value remain 1. Now, how can we get the next weight position? The process would remain same. Previous weight position multiply by radix of the number system, that is 8. Previous weight position multiply by radix and the value would be 64. Previous weight position multiply by 8 and the value would be 5110, and continue the process so on. And how can we get the weight position successive to the right of the decimal point? Now just replace the multiply operation by divide operation, like we did in the binary number system and decimal number system. So what we got here, 1 divided by 8. It's 1 divided by 8 divide by 1 divided by 8 divide by 8, and solve this. 1 divided by 8 divide by 8, you will get 1 by 64. 1 by 64. Now again 1 by 64 divide by 8, you will get 1 by 512, and continue the process so on. So this is how we have got the weight positions successive to the left of the decimal point, weight positions successive to the right of the decimal point, and we can write this scenario in this form as well. So all these two forms are equivalent. So what deduction we have got here is each place is a power of 8. See here, each place is a power of 8. So octal number system is also called as base 8 number system. Taking an example of octal number. Octal number is 271 and employee base 8 here to make it as an octal number. Now write the digits of octal number corresponding to its weight positions. That is 1, 8 and 64. Digits are 1, 7 and 2 and multiply the digits by its corresponding weight position and we got 128, 56 and 1 here. And the final answer would be the sum of values of all the positions and we got 185 here. And try to use this method to solve the equation and you will get the answer same as 185 here. Now let's have a look at this number. We can't say this number as octal number because this digit 8 doesn't belong to the domain set of octal number system. And this number is actually a decimal number. So whenever you write an octal number under its weight positions and solve the equation, then the resulting number would be in decimal number system. I hope you guys have got my point well. And octal number system is also termed as weighted, positional and place value number system, as I explained in my previous tutorial of decimal number system and binary number system. Again explaining what we are doing here, placing each digit corresponding to its position or weight or place. So octal number system is also termed as weighted, positional or place value number system. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and expecting you in my next tutorial as well. And hit the like, subscribe and share button if you genuinely like the content. Thank you.